Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join me today. This week we're going to be making a bookmark with an Irish blessing. You'll need some colorful paper, a ribbon, scissors, marker, and a pencil. The first thing we're doing is cutting a rectangle out of our paper in the shape of a bookmark. The next thing I'm doing is with pencil, start decorating. I'm using pencil so that if I make any mistakes, I can go over it. I tried to do a Celtic knot pattern. You could do any pattern you like. Then I'm just tracing over with green marker. Now again with paper, I'm starting to write an Irish blessing on the top. Now it's time to find an Irish blessing that you like and write it on your bookmark. We chose, "May your troubles be less and your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door." But there are a lot of good ones to choose from. Now you can finish decorating however you like. The fun thing about this is that you can make it really unique. The last step is just to punch a hole through the top corner and string through your ribbon. This makes it easier to find in a book. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and don't forget to tune in next week for more stories, words from the Irish language, and crafts like this. Until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán! See you next time.